This man must be crazy. He came to the door naked and started scratching it with a knife. The thieves must have seen what was in the back of the truck as they drove by. The naked man notices the camera. After stealing the package, the man pretends to knock on the door. The unidentified man rushed into the house after seeing the door open. The thief in slippers covered his face when he saw the camera. He then opened the back door and went inside. Seeing that there were people inside, the thief grabbed whatever he could and ran away.
By the way.
Fuck, baby, you alright? You okay?
This strange man came to the door and started talking.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
Miss.
Yeah, what do you want?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, it's not about what I want, but, hey, I got 2 drinks. I'm trying to sell to get bus fare. Can you help? You really don't?
No, I really don't.
You're not alone, are you?
No, I'm not.
You're not alone, are you?
No, why would I need to be alone?
Late at night, the woman knocked on the door. Does anyone know her? The woman came to the door and started shouting curses.
House is on. Reach me at the next phone number that appears on your screen.
The police officer struggled a lot to catch the fleeing man. He spoke into the radio, saying where the man would pass and that a roadblock needed to be set up there. However, the officer who set up the roadblock placed it incorrectly, and it ended up being useless. The half-naked and drunk man leaned against the door and started talking.
Your neighbor left me outside. I need to ride home to my mother's house. Can you give me a ride, or can you tell me to f*** off?
The gang of thieves had made a great plan. Everything was going smoothly until the police started chasing them. With no other option, the thieves had to jump into a house's yard.
Yeah.
The woman was terrified when she saw the man forcing a door that didn't belong to him. She walked up to the door and, unable to think of anything else, asked him what he wanted.
You?
Hey, I'm here with DoorDash.
For what?
To drop off an order?
What address? What address?
I literally have a shirt from the impound lot of my dog, and her child was acting like a and told me to come over here.
A few moments later, a thief came running and broke into someone's house, stealing valuable jewelry. The police chased after him, and although there was a long pursuit, they couldn't catch him. The thief in the red truck calmly pulled up to the homeowner's door. He was very relaxed as he got out, grabbed the package by the door, and drove away. Even though the homeowner saw it happening, they couldn't catch up to him.
bro.
An unexpected armed shootout breaks out on the man's street.
Oh my God! Juju, get in the house.
This man entered a stranger's yard, but the homeowner was inside watching him.
What are you doing in my...
Huh?
What are you doing in my f***ing yard?
No, I'm trying
What are you doing in my
to
f***ing yard?
I'm trying to cut the yard.
Mother... Get out of my mother f***ing yard! Wait right there, I'm coming to kick your f***.
You don't have to do
You
that.
mother... Get the f*** out of my yard!
You guys go ahead and go. Go ahead and go. Go ahead and go.
The soft-hearted man is talking to the thief who is trying to steal his car.
Huh? I'll give you your phone back. No, I didn't take nothing. On my life, look yourself. Look yourself. Didn't take nothing. Oh God, I didn't take. On my life. On my soul.
The thief, who was supposed to open the door and steal the items, is struggling with the door but can't get it open. Poor guy. Two crazy men seem obsessed with the scooter at the door, which is chained up. The owner must have really used a strong chain because it just won't cut through. Who is this man? And why is he forcing me to open my door? Two relaxed thieves steal the batteries from the door and run away.
What did they take? I just saw it.
Why is this young man trying to force open my door?
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I put it on my sister thing. She's putting alcohol.
The masked man is spraying my camera with spray paint. After seeing that it wore off, he comes back and sprays it again. The police officer arrives at the door and asks the child a question.
Hello?
Hello, are y'all home right now?
No, sir, we're not. We're all at work. Can we help you? I'm talking to you through the camera.
Okay, well, we just had a baby that was wandering around, and I was just trying to see if it was y'all's. But if y'all aren't home, it's okay.
No, sir, it's not ours. We don't have any children.
Okay, thank you.
The homeowner, watching the man trying to break in through the camera, can't hold back.
Get the f away from here, and right goddamn now, mother.
Yeah. Meanwhile, in Arizona, apparently these kids think it's